Hi, my name is Roberto Berdecia. I'm part of the group of La Factoría co-founders. We have been trying to bring a little bit of flavor to the island, a little bit of flair to the cocktail world. Piña Colada for me is the only renowned cocktail around the world that people ask for it, and it's Puerto Rican. Every cocktail bar has to have their own version of the Piña Colada. Some people like it more sweet, a little bit more rummy, a little bit more acid from the pineapple, so it's a balance of those flavors that makes it unique. My role developing the ice cream with Discover Puerto Rico and Leeuwen was to stay authentic to the flavors of the Piña Colada, bring out the balance between the coconut, the pineapple, and the rum all together in a well-balanced ice cream. What makes the ice cream Puerto Rican? I'll say it was the Puerto Rican rum, of course. The coconut here doesn't taste the same as in Thailand, for example, and the same thing with the pineapple. So that was my main goal, to balance out, to taste it, and feel that when you taste the ice cream, you will taste a little bit of Puerto Rico.